Business 4.0 with MoneyPenny's attendance time management solution. Bring your attendance management to the digital cloud age and have full control of different working models, attendance rules, and create the payroll report with just one click. Enjoy full flexibility when managing different attendance time models and rules for different departments like engineering works on flextime with core time, production just core time, and marketing flex time with operation time. Manage lunch breaks and set up daily working hours rules. Easy and flexible. Switch to flex time in no time. Set up rule escalation notifications to master flex time accounts simply by intuitive and easy-to-use traffic light rules. Create weekly working plans to calculate over and downtime. Keep track of national or regional public holidays. You automatically have them in your attendance time templates. Use mandatory holidays if you close your shop or office for 2 weeks in August, or practice half-day closing on New Year's Eve. What's your company's vacation policy? Define employee vacation rules and rollover allowances. Solve scheduling conflicts and handle advanced planning with clear approval rules. Sick leaves, personal leaves, educational leaves. They can all be easily added and managed with MoneyPenny. Set up an approval system for business trips and on-site work. And the best part? You get an easy-to-use attendance time calendar and approval calendar, designed to automate and upgrade businesses of any size. MoneyPenny will streamline your attendance time rules in an eye blink. Now you can save time and forget tedious efforts or error-prone manual data entry. Digitalize your business online, on the cloud. So powerful, yet easy to use and fully flexible. Now what are you waiting for? Join MoneyPenny today.